gonna put there? That's like a menu you can put it, take off.
Yeah, right on there with chalk.
You're gonna take a chalk?
Yeah, like you know, like the ones they have like the neon colors.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's like you know, like Sharpie, not Sharpie, but the eraser.
Yeah, yeah. But it illuminates.
Yeah, they got the glow in the dark ones.
Yo, now that I'm reading that, yo, you're right. You can't even, if somebody doing catering shit, you can bring it right over. It's okay. Papa, what is that for? It's a drain?
Huh? No, that's where you fill it up at.
What?
Yeah.
What is this one here?
That's the reservoir.
Oh, so that's where you fill it up?
Mm-hmm. Goes up.
What you gotta do is like think of a good menu. That's not like